Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome back. Connecting your Garmin device to your phone is essential for getting the most out of it. This link lets you sync your activities, receive smart notifications, and even customize settings right from your hand. We're here to show you the straightforward way to get connected, making sure your device and phone work perfectly together for all your adventures. Before we dive into the connection process, a little preparation goes a long way. First, ensure both your Garmin device and your smartphone are fully charged. Next, download the official Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store, as it's absolutely crucial for the setup. Finally, simply confirm that your phone's Bluetooth is already enabled and ready to discover new devices. Taking these quick steps now ensures a super smooth connection. Now, let's get your Garmin device ready for pairing. Power it on, then go to the main menu. You'll typically find a Settings or Bluetooth option there. Select that and then look for Pair Phone or Pair New. Your Garmin will then enter a discovery mode, actively searching for a phone to establish a connection. Just keep it nearby and we'll move to the phone side. With your Garmin in pairing mode, grab your smartphone and open the Garmin Connect app. If you haven't already, make sure to sign in. Inside the app, look for the device icon or select Add Device. The app will then scan for your Garmin device. Once it appears, simply tap on your device model. You'll then see a unique pairing code on both your Garmin and phone screens. Just confirm they match and your devices are connecting. Once the pairing code is confirmed, your Garmin device should show a connected status, and the app will guide you through any final setup steps. From here, you can explore the Garmin Connect app, customizing watch faces, syncing your activities, and managing your health data. If you ever run into a problem, a quick restart of both your phone and Garmin, or even repairing, can often solve the issue. Enjoy your newly connected Garmin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.